Based on what you have heard and read about how these bills are moving along in Congress, are you hopeful that we might finally see a version of this anti-political dynasty bill come to reality?
Not just what we're seeing in Congress, no, but more so with other factors, considering other factors like the fact that sinabi ni President Marcos that this is a priority bill, it's part of the LEDAC list. Also, yung sinabi ni Sir Ronald na mismong si Pangulong Marcos sinasabi na dapat ipasa, right, yung tamang bill. And of course, I think yung biggest factor is yung mobilization ng civil society, which now includes several local government units also saying na they want the enactment to happen, no? So if you consider that big picture, no, na marami ng confluence of support for the enactment of the law, parang tumataas yung kumpiyansa natin na hindi naman siguro ganun kamanhid ang mga mambabatas natin na ito na nga lahat ng nakikita nila tapos magmamatigas pa sila na hindi ipapasa tong batas na to.
Well, in the last 40 years, they hadn't thought to see fit to pass it, right? So, nasa batas na nga, nasa constitution na nga, di ba?
In fairness sa kanila, wala pang ganitong confluence of events dati. Dati kasi meron mga silent supporters lang, like si President Aquino dati in 2015, siguro Sir Ronald can say, he was supportive of the passage of the bill, kaya lang naubusan na ng panahon. Even dating speaker, si Speaker Belmonte was actually championing the passage of the bill, kaya lang nakulangan na ng panahon. Pero ngayon kasi, perfect timing, may oras, may basbas ng Pangulo, tapos very strong ang civil society support, meron ng social media na halos lahat ng mga post support for the bill, for the passing of the bill.
Pero ngayon sila pinaka-entrenched eh. Pinakamalala actually yung situation ngayon.
Yeah. About 80% yata of lower
Well,
house.
ngayon lang tayo nakakita ng ganitong Senado na tatlo-tatlong set ng magkakapatid nandun. Ngayon lang tayo nakakita ng house na ganyan karaming magkakamag-anak.
Yeah, by numbers, tama yun. Ano? But I think, given the situation, siguro, maybe I'm just naive, no? But given what we're seeing in civil society, this is actually the most vulnerable position they have been, no? Na meron talagang active push for the enactment of the law. Kung hindi pa matuloy ngayon, I don't think talagang magbabago tong sistema natin. Kung hindi pa nila ma-enact to by June.